So how are you, Prince? After a very long time, we are meeting
Mm-hmm.
each other.
Yeah, we are meeting after a long. Yeah, I'm good. And what about you?
Yeah, I'm doing good. Thank you so much for asking, Prince. Thank you so much. Okay. So every time you book a session at the time, I'm getting busy, or I'll be like
Mm-hmm.
outside. So something is happening. So, but it was today. It was like fortunate situation. We are
Mm-hmm.
meeting each other. It's good. Good.
Yeah, you are right.
So how was your journey going on with
Yeah, it
English
is
learning?
going good. Yeah, it is going good.
So how many sessions have we completed so far?
This is my fourth session.
Fourth session. Okay. So so how was your day so far?
Yeah, day was so far good. What about your day?
It's good. It's good. I wake up late. Like I woke up at 11:30 a.m.
Okay, okay.
My day has just now started.
Usually, at what time you wake up?
Around like 10:30, 11:30. It depends.
Okay, because you are working in night shift. That's why
That
maybe.
that is the reason. That is the reason. So I
Okay,
don't have
okay,
time.
okay. So what's your timing? What's your work timing?
My work timing is like evening 4:30 to morning 2:30.
Yeah,
That's very hectic.
yeah.
I don't like working shift night shift, but I'm
It's
working.
not possible. Yeah, it's not possible for everyone, right?
Okay, Prince. And today's topic is about childhood memory, right?
Mm-hmm. You're right.
Okay. So, where do you belong? Like, what is your native place?
Yeah, I'm from Jharkhand, and if
That is
you,
where you are.
and
That's
in,
where you are born.
yeah, I'm from, yeah, I am born and brought up in Jharkhand.
Born.
Yeah, and I am from rural area, and I'm a son of a farmer. Yeah,
So, what's special about your place?
I said that I'm from rural areas, so my place is connected to the nature. Yeah, there are many greenery areas are here,
Okay, good.
and
So,
because I am from rural area here, there is a less pollution in
yeah, that's
comparison to
city. That's true.
urban areas.
And
Yeah.
even the food quality will be good,
Hmm.
right? You can get direct cow's milk.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
All these things you can get. So, you spent your most of your childhood in that place, right? The village.
Yeah. Right now I am that in that place.
Okay. So, what was your childhood activities? What are the things you do? What are the things you did during your childhood?
Yeah, I did a lot of things, but I remember some two, four things. Right. I don't remember all things that I did in my childhood. Like I play hide and seek with my friends, and one time I was playing hide and seek, and at that time there was lots of crowd in my rural area, and my friend was lost at that time, and we were searching. We were approx 6 to 10 friends at that time, and we were searching that boy. Where has he gone? Where has he gone? And after 8 hour we find.
8 hours.
After 8 hour, yeah, after 8 hour, we found that boy.
Oh my god. Where was he?
Yeah, he was in market.
Okay.
He was roaming here and there in market.
So you don't know how to come back, right? Like he lost the way.
Yeah. He lost the way.
Okay.
He didn't know what's his address at that time.
Oh my God.
Okay.
So what was your age at that time?
At that time, I was 9 or 10 years.
9 or 10 years. So you still have contact with your childhood friends?
Yeah, I am still have contact with some of my childhood friends. Not all friends, but some.
So all are staying in the same village right now, or they moved to other cities?
Yeah, some are moved to Kolkata, some are moved to Mumbai for education purpose, for working purpose.
Do you have any plans to move out?
Right now, I don't have any plans to move out.
So you are comfortable at the place you are right now.
Yeah, because I like this place. Yeah, I am happy in living in rural area.
So how the Diwali celebration is going on? How the Diwali season is going on? Do you celebrate Diwali?
Yeah, I celebrate because I am Hindu. So I would definitely celebrate Diwali. Yeah, Diwali celebration is going good, but I don't crack crackers because I think that it creates pollution. I only lighten up some candles. Yeah, and in this way I celebrate Diwali.
So you don't like crackers?
Yeah, I don't like crackers, but
From your
dude,
nowadays
I
or from your childhood?
no. When I was child, I like cracker.
Now you lost interest, right? Like when you become
Yeah,
adult,
now
yeah,
yeah, because I think that it creates lots of pollution.
as well as waste.
During during my childhood time, yeah, I spent approx 4 to 5 hours in lighting up crackers.
Wow.
Yeah,
Oh, that's
but
that's
right
amazing.
now but right now I don't find it interesting.
Okay. That's very interesting.
But but I, I'm from joint family, and my cousins are lighting crackers.
So what is your planning? So what is your plan for this Diwali? What are you planning to do?
Yeah, I think that I will purchase some sweets and distribute to needy person. Yeah, in this
So
way
plan.
I want to celebrate my Diwali. I will purchase fruits or clothes, whatever, at that time, and I will distribute to the needy persons.
So so for buying sweets, where do you go? You go to the city, or it's available in your village, in your place?
Yeah, it's available in my village.
Okay, cool. And okay, so did you buy any clothes for this Diwali? New clothes?
Yeah, I bought some clothes. Yeah. What about your Diwali celebration? Do you celebrate Diwali or not?
Yeah, we do celebrate Diwali. We do
Okay.
celebrate
Okay.
Diwali. Usually, like even I'm very fond of busting crackers when I was a child. But now I lost
Okay.
it. Now I don't have it. My son is 2.5 years old. He might be starting his Diwali. He might be doing some
Okay.
practice this time.
Yeah.
Okay. So even for buying clothes, you have to go where you will buy clothes. usually? You like ready-made or stitched?
Yeah, because I am tall and I like stitch clothes. Yeah.
You like stitched one.
Yeah.
So how tall are you? I think you are more than 6.
No, I'm 6 feet. I'm 6 feet.
6 plus.
6 feet.
Oh, 6 feet. Okay. You're so tall. Maybe if you go to military or if you go to police, they definitely select you. So, what is your future plan? Like, what you are planning to do in future?
Yeah. During our first conversation, I said that I am teaching some students,
Yeah.
and yeah, I will open my own coaching. Right now, don't have my own coaching. I will open after some months.
Okay, you're planning to open a new coaching center.
Yeah, you're right. And
So,
what about your your childhood? Where did you spend your childhood?
I born in like Chennai, born and brought up in Chennai city.
Okay.
So I don't have
Okay.
experience in village life, but I wish I should spend some time in village
Yeah, you're right.
because here Chennai is like we have all kind of pollution, air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution. So all pollution is available in the city, but in village peaceful, like no
Yeah.
pollution.
Most of the kids, uh, most of the kids like to bunk their classes during their childhood. And what about you? Did you
No,
bunk
I
your
never got
classes?
I never got an opportunity because I studied in a school which where it is not allowed.
Okay.
Because like even if you bunk for one day, they will intimate the parents.
Yeah,
So it's not
that
possible.
was quite strict at school.
If I study in like government school, I can do it. But I studied in a private school where it is very strict. Like even if you don't go for like 1 or 2 days, definitely they will. But during college days, I bunk many times.
Yeah. Okay.
My college starts at
So
like 8:30 a.m. in the morning, but I usually go to college
okay.
at 9.
Okay.
Every day I will cut one period
Yeah.
because
So who
80%
was? Yeah, you can continue.
So I was saying
80%.
like 80% attendance is enough in my college.
Yeah, you are right.
So
Most
I
of
usually bunk
students
first hour.
doing this thing. Yeah.
Okay, that's cool.
So
That's
who
cool.
was your childhood hero?
My childhood hero, it was Rajnikant.
Yeah, very obvious because you are
But
from South.
but but when I grow up, I changed. Now it is Kamal Hassan.
Okay.
They were like two superheroes in Tamil Nadu.
Mm-hmm.
Kamal Hassan and
Yeah.
Rajnikant. Both are pretty famous. But Kamal Hassan is pretty good in acting. But Rajnikant is famous for his style.
Yeah, Rajnikant is famous because of his style. Yeah, you're right.
So Prince, like as usual, we had a conversation. So we'll go to the feedback session now. Okay.
Yeah.
Let me open the window. Let me type something. Check whether you're getting it.
Mm-hmm. Hi.
So now we'll go to the pronunciation part.
Mm-hmm. Born.
Born. Or is little silent here. Born.
Born.
Okay, born.
Okay. Still.
It's sounding like this.
Okay. It sounds
Yeah,
like still.
it sounds like it's still. It's not still. It should be still. Still.
Still.
Still.
Still.
Okay.
Okay.
Can you spell this one?
School.
School, perfect. Because some people say school. School is incorrect. Okay.
Working.
Working. Working.
Walking. R is silent. Little
R is
silent.
little silent. Okay. Working. Okay. For example,
Dark.
dark. R is little silent. Okay.
Okay. In this way,
In this way,
Park.
it's park. Park.
park.
Okay. While pronouncing R, we have to roll our tongue like this. Park. Park.
Okay. Park.
Park.
Okay.
Dark. Working. Okay. Born. Okay. So these are the only deviations I have today. Only few deviations, not many. So nice talking with you, Prince. I think we spoke for
Yeah.
like 5 minutes now, 26 minutes.
Yeah, same here. Same here.
So we'll see you in the next session.
Yeah, definitely.
Bye bye and take care.